Hello everybody, how's it going? Well, today we got a really quick video on how to change the water filter on your refrigerator. So just swing on over to your refrigerator, look at the very bottom there, open up the door, open up this little gray water door, and the water filter is going to pop right out like so. This is the Every Drop brand. It works for various other models like Maytag and Whirlpool. And just make sure you get the proper one. I just looked at the one that I pulled out and went on Amazon and bought the same exact one. And this cost me about $43. And I think they last about 6 months or so. Alright, so once you know you got the right one, just go ahead and grab it. Remove the cap on the top. Slide it right back in. And make sure you close the door really hard. Alright, now after you do that, you're going to want to reset the water filter because you see the lights on. So you're just going to hold that temp setting button down for 3 seconds. So here we go. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Just like that, the water filter light has been reset and you are good to go. Now, one last thing you're going to want to do is flush the system. So go ahead and get the system and start running. I run about a gallon. I did a bunch of cups, but you can just do a gallon or so and just keep dumping it out just to get the system nice and filtered. After you're done with that, you're good to go. See you guys later. Have a great day.